Welcome to the Alert section of FutrOS Maintenance Management. Let's explore the technical details. The dashboard provides an overview of all alerts created since commissioning or within the selected time frame. It includes open alerts, closed alerts, acknowledged alerts, and wrong alerts visualized with a pie chart. Open alerts by category categorizes open alerts such as communication failure, abnormal performance, and non-operational assets, providing a detailed status overview. Component-wise status overview offers insights into alert statuses categorized by specific components, facilitating targeted maintenance actions. Alerts by category distribution presents the distribution of alerts across categories like communication failure, abnormal performance, and non-operational, aiding in identifying common issues. Time metrics for open alerts displays duration metrics since alert creation, allowing users to analyze performance trends based on components or alert categories. Resolution time for closed alerts analyzes the time taken to resolve and close alerts with options to view data based on components or alert categories. The current month open alerts timeline visually represents the timeline of alerts opened during the current month, detailing components, errors, durations, and timelines. The alert list allows user to filter alerts by location, error message, event type, occurrence time, status, and duration, providing detailed insights for proactive maintenance. Notification settings enable users to customize which alerts they receive, including options like device error, abnormal performance, and non-operational. Updates can be easily managed. The Disable Component section allows users to filter and view components by tags, including details like name, serial number, DC load, and total modules with an option to enable monitoring. In reports, users can select dates, component types, alert types, and status to generate comprehensive reports. These reports are available for download in CSV and PDF formats. That concludes our technical overview of the Alert section in the FutrOS Maintenance Management. For more details, visit our website or contact our support team.